The students of HIT present to you a short film on anti-addiction. The story is about a 19-year-old boy, Rahul Jaikar. He lived in a small town and his father was a farmer. After Rahul finished his class 12, in order to provide his son with the best education in spite of being financially unstable, his father had to sell one of his kidneys to provide his son college. Rahul walks to his college and he enters the college gate with a lot of expectations, wondering that the next 4 years has in store for him. After a few days, Rahul has already made new friends and they are all chatting together. Suddenly thinking about all the piled up assignments and how he did not have much time to complete everything, he becomes sad and worried. His friend notices this change in his mood, so they tell him that they have a way to release his stress. They all go nearby alley and Rahul is offered a cigarette by one of his friends. Initially he refuses, saying that he had never tried this before. However, after a lot of persuasion by his friend, he finally gives in and they all smoke together. After 3 years, before Rahul could even comprehend that what was happening, he had already become an addict. His father worked as hard as he could so that his son could get a good life and education and sent him money every month. However, he didn't know that his son used that money to buy drugs, alcohol and cigarettes. Rahul's grades and average performance in college has also dropped tremendously because of his drugs addiction. Soon he became indebted to a dealer because of his high amount of drugs he brought. The dealer threatened him with bodily harm if the debt was not paid off soon. Since it was also the time for placements, Rahul asked for his father for a huge amount of money and said that he required it for a job which he could not get if he didn't get that money. His father didn't think for a second and sold his land to provide his son with the money. However, after this, he had no money left to even buy a food for himself and the rest of the family. After some time, Rahul gets a call from his father, and his father is crying and telling him that how after selling the land he had no money left and they were starving. He told him that they did not eat anything for days. More than all this, what upset him the most that he had sold the land just so that his son could pay off his debt to a dealer. He had been told by someone from his college that his son had become an addict. Alcohol and smoking happens before one can even understand the gravity of the situation. It does not take a lot of time for these things to ruin lives. Peer pressure and wrong influence are also some of the major reasons of addictions. But here one has to ask themselves a few things. If you have to do these things and become an addict just to get accepted by your friends, then are they really your friends? All this worth more than your life? You and your life are greater than your addiction, so stop it now and live a life worth living. Thank you.
I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.